Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to teach you a very easy, quick snack. Generally we make paniyaram with suji and dahi. This is the non-veg version with egg and chicken sausages. I hope you will all like it. Let's proceed with the recipe. The ingredients of the quick breakfast. I've used 3 eggs. I've beaten it very well. And I've cut capsicum and onion very finely. And these are fried sausages. I've cut like this, small bite pieces. And I'll be using olive oil as the medium. And the most important thing, this is the paniyaram pan. The paniyaram pan is heating for last 5 minutes. First, I will be giving little oil. Now I will be adding the egg. Use 1 spoon of egg. See, this thoda zyada oil gir gaya, so it is not happening nicely. So you have to give less oil. Now on top of it, thoda this mixture of capsicum and onion. Keep this in low flame. Remember to keep it in low flame. Now I'll be adding the sausages. I have seen this, when we went to Bangkok, I've seen this, they are making in the streets. It's more or less a staple breakfast for them. Now top it up with some more egg. Now I'm using this type of ladle. Do like this for each one. A little bit like this. Just set it like this, and if you want, you can just give drop of oil here. Cover it and let it cook for 1 minute. 1 minute ho gaya. Now use both sides. Do like this and then turn like this. Do like this. Turn like this. See, I've turned all. Now I'll do it for just another minute. It's done. Now I am picking up the yummy non-veg paniyaram snacks and getting ready for the next batch. So my snacks is ready. Serve it with sauce, and while we eat this, another batch is getting ready.